See, most small creators actually fail to hit the 4,000 watch hours here on YouTube. Not because they are bad or their content is bad, but because they actually ignored what actually matters most on YouTube, and they were busy chasing those things that didn't really matter so much, right? Now, you hear people say things like just post consistently or make good content, create valuable content, and all of that. Now, nobody actually shows you the numbers. No one breaks down the real part that small channels actually needs to take. Do you understand? To hit these 4,000 watch hours. Because trust me, your first 4,000 watch hours, it's so complicated. And for some creators, it might be so stressful. And it's something worth talking about, because if you don't understand, you will see yourself falling out of line before you even get to the 4,000 watch hours. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how small creators can actually hit 4,000 watch hours, navigate through very fast, and the strategies to apply and the mistakes to avoid as well, because this mistake actually stops people so you don't end up being like other creators that actually gave up on along the line. And now, if you are serious about monetization, please watch this video to the end, okay? And if it's the first time seeing me, my name is Joy, and on this channel I create videos about tips and strategies to grow your YouTube channel effectively, okay? So share these videos with that creator and subscribe, and as well like, and as well drop your comments, okay? Now let's break down 4,000 watch hours really fast. Now, the first thing for you to know is that watch hours is not about views, it's about time, guys. Now, the time the viewers stay to watch your videos, how much time did they give your videos, that is what watch time or watch hours is called. Now, 4,000 watch hours is equals 240,000 minute views, okay, or watch time. Now, that's the number YouTube cares about, 240,000 views, like in per minute. So if you can get to 240,000 people to watch it 1 minute each, then you have already completed your 4,000 watch hours. You have successfully passed that first bridge. Do you understand? Now, when most creators says I got 100,000 views and I still did not qualify for monetization, now this is why it happens like that, because their watch time did not accumulate enough to complete that watch hours that is needed as a creator. That is why I told you that watch hours is about time, right? And that is why short videos, like maybe videos are not long, like short duration videos, right? Not normal shorts, okay? Videos between 2 minutes to 5 minutes are not long. They do not actually help you gather enough watch time. They do not make much impact, especially when people do not watch them at all, right? It is long form content that actually completes these numbers for you very easily, or live stream, okay? Now, let me break this down further, guys. For instance, let's say you upload a 10-minute video, right? Maybe when the average you have watches 5 minutes, then 1 view is equal to 5 minutes. Okay, 12 views is equal to 1 hour, and 1,000 views is equals 83 watch hours. Now, to hit 4,000 watch hours from one 10-minute video, you will need about 48,000 views on that 10-minute video. Now, here is the part most people don't really understand. You're not supposed to hit this in one video, but if you did, congratulations. But small channels can actually hit 4,000 watch hours by stacking up content, that is uploading content, not by chasing viral moments. You can actually achieve this by posting content continuously. You don't have to get that viral moment. Even if you did, no problem. But if you don't, you're supposed to stack it up. If you post 2 videos per week and each videos have maybe 10 to 15 minutes long, let's say the video was 600 views, and people that actually watch it, they actually watch it for like 6 minutes each, guys. 600 views times 6 minutes will give you about 3,600 minutes, right? And that's like 60 watch hours per one video. Now, if you multiply that by 2 videos a week or 3 videos a week, depends on your upload schedule, you will see that you are getting enough. So if you should multiply that 60 watch hours, 2 videos per week for like 8 weeks, that's almost about 900 plus watch hours, which is almost approximately 1,000 watch hours. So in 2 months, you're making over 1,000 watch hours from gathering just videos, stacking up videos small. Do you understand? Of which there are some months that we actually do better than that. Now, here is another thing that most people overlook. Your older videos will still keep getting you watch time. I hope you're aware of that, especially if they're interesting, guys. So it's not about your new uploads. Your old videos will be getting views. They will not just sit down there, even if most of them might not be getting so much views, but they will still keep getting views and watch time. Now, let's say by 4 to 5 months, you are no longer relying on new uploads, because all of your old videos are actually getting views and keeping your channel active. Now, this is how creators that do not post frequently actually earn money from their monetization, because they might just post 2 videos a month and you're wondering how they are making money from those videos, they will make money from those 2 videos and other videos, and they will also get watch time. Once you're able to clock that 4,000 watch hours, things just get smooth and smoother from that point. Every other one that will be coming will be much easier because you have passed that trial stage that actually hinders a lot of creators. Do you understand me? So don't give up. Now, the mistakes affecting most creators is when they keep posting short videos. Short videos do not help you gather watch hours enough. You can use it for growth. It actually helps you for growth because most people do not want to watch long videos. They just watch short and all of that. But for watch hours sake, it has to be that long form video. Okay, a 4 minute video with great retention, that is good audience retention, is still struggling to build watch hours. I have that on my faceless channel. 4 minutes video, about 20,000 views, is still not even enough with my 12 minutes video that had less than 10,000 views, because the watch hour from the 10 minutes plus is more profitable than the 4 minutes. Do you understand? So, but make it interesting, because YouTube is like a video library. As people that come to YouTube to watch long videos, they know that they are not in a hurry. They want to learn, they want to enjoy their time on YouTube. YouTube is like a movie house. Do you understand? So make sure your videos has clarity, it has value. They will sit down and watch it as well. YouTube monetization favors value and consistency. Okay, so please make sure you have good hooks in addition. Now, there are some kind of content that actually makes water work very fast. Content like tutorial videos, explanation videos, and walkthrough videos teaching people how to do things, do it yourself, live streams, and even entertainment videos that are of value. It actually helps you gather watch hours very fast. These are the kind of content that actually help new creators gain watch hours very fast, secretly, and even going viral. Do you understand me? Because when people stay in your video, YouTube sees it as intention, and so it pushes your video more, and watch hours just keep piling up because people are enjoying your tutorials or your live stream. That is why a 1 hour live stream with barely 50 viewers can actually perform better than a 10 minute video with over 2,000 views, because it gathers watch hours very fast. So when you're trying to gather watch hours, you have to be very strategic and know what you want to help your channel actually get that growth that you're looking for. So in other words, create longer videos on your long form videos and make it very interesting with value, and people will watch it. So with all of these points I've listed, you have seen that hitting 4,000 watch hours is not about luck. It's about creating content that can actually keep people from scrolling and watching your content. Okay, it's about creating longer content, creating clearer topics that people knows exactly what you're talking about immediately, and they find value in it, and then they stay to watch. Right? It's about creating or posting consistently as well. Consistent posting still helps. If you're not consistent about it, even if you're using your live stream or your tutorial or the explanation video and you're not coming online to do it often, it will be affecting your channel. It will not be gathering up as fast as you want. So consistency actually plays a big role in this. So with all of this, you can actually gather your watch time in small quantity. Okay, if you are showing up and improving on your clarity and letting people know what the channel is about in a particular niche, and sticking to that niche and showing up and posting and stacking up videos, guys, you're closer than you think, because you will definitely get to that 4,000 watch hours in no time. Okay, most creators actually quit at 1,500 watch hours or even 2,000 watch hours, and that is not a good thing to do. It's not the right thing to do, guys. You are quitting before the right time. I mean, why? You are quitting before things starts getting better, so that's not a good deal, guys. So please keep posting and take all of these things into action. Now, if this video has helped you understand how watch hours is and the secret behind watch hours, guys, please feel free to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and as well share to other creators to also help them get solutions and get encouraged about their watch hours. Okay, I shared a question in my community tab asking people what was their challenge, and a lot of them says it was watch hours. So that's why we're on a series of watch hours, and now we can actually improve and help each other grow on this YouTube space. So feel free to subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. If you need more YouTube growth advice, check out this playlist. I've got videos there to actually help you grow your channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.